What is up guys, Done at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Kanban in Jira. So first you need to head over to your Jira's website and then you just simply need to log in with your Jira account. And after that, when you are redirected to the home page on the left side, you will see the project section. Over to this and then click on this plus icon. And after clicking on plus icon, you just need to scroll down a bit and then you need to click on Jira. After clicking on Jira, here as you can see the Kanban option, click on this and after that, you can just simply use this Kanban template to make the Kanban board. You can select a team managed project or you can select a company managed project. I'll go with the team managed project, and after that, I'll give it a name. And after giving it a name, I'll give it a key. And after that, here on the right side at the bottom, you can see the create project button. I'll just simply click on this to create my new Kanban project. As you can see, the Jira project was successfully created. So I'll just simply enter some names or emails whom I want to bring in my this team. But if I don't want to write it for now, I can just simply skip it. And after skipping it, here as you can see, the Kanban project is ready. So this is how you can create a new Kanban project in Jira. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.